All right, good morning, everyone. Today's class about the bands because all the time I use the bands during my exercise. Why? Because the band is one of the number one tool for rehabilitation. Why? Because it's give you that sensation, that loop feedback from your brain to the area to muscle, where's the muscle weak or strong, whatever that, collect this information and bring it back to your brain. And all the brain try to release it and try to heal you. Try to get you moving again through the bands. So bands, it's a lot of different bands. People ask me what brand should I buy, and it's so much crap up there. I'll be honest with you, and all different names. The thing is the quality of material, and I'm definitely don't buy on Tamu, whatever. This is the junk. This is the I think it's a website of the bottom quality. So everything you buy up there broke. I bought this markers. 1 day is off, dry. I bought this board, collapse. I bought this door dash camera, failed. Bands, I'll show it to you right in a minute. So this is one, this is the Gray Cook one. This is from FMS. It's a functional movement screening, which is the great tool to know if you are personal trainer, coach. So this band is amazing. Why? Because you can truly, you see they get this little formula roll, you can do a lot of exercise with that. You can truly work with the kinetic line. If you check the website, I put a couple pictures up here, a couple exercise. Band is amazing. It's expensive, it's like $45. They might have some special right now, I don't know, but you guys check it out. Great band. Next one, it's a 2B band. I bought this a long time ago. The problem is the tube band is rip a lot and it's really painful. Also, what I don't like it because this is like a adjusted tip, like those carabin when you can adjust to your legs. You can do this band if you still have it, like away from your face, do some legs, pulling. Could be okay, but if you put too much pressure, they will rip off. This is the almost heavy one. And so it's not that good. Next one, so all those different like short bands, and they all, like I said, have a different density. Just check, let's say this is less feet and this is light. So you see I can use with my 2 fingers. Now watch. This is feet, no, this is the same company. I think this one. Yeah, this is Fit Pride. So it's you can see feet Pride Feet, all this is from China. I think it's crazy. So anyway, watch this one. Can I stretch it? No. It's a different brand, different density. So pay attention to those. So this is extra heavy with one brand. Look at that. I can stretch without any problem. And this is that Fit Pride, heavy too. It's big difference. So pay attention to those. Every time check your band. You start working, you check. And this is the great brand right here. It's no any logo, anything on it. But you know what? I use this for the year. And look, now I got this one. It's just terrible. I smell. It's called Rehab or Rehut, whatever that just weirder name. But look, it's the same density of this band, and look, I can put my whole pressure on it. And now look at that one. I can do this, and I just rip it off. Is that the good band? No, just trust me. If you try to do something serious with this one, because this is powerful band, you can seriously damage yourself. This is band right here. I can't find this brand anymore, but it's called Fuel. This is great brand. I use it for the year. I can do full extension. I follow the kinetic line. I don't need to buy $40 Gray Cook. It's great band. It's good for you. But this one was $5. And I use it for the year. Look, this one, same brand, yes. So Temu, I bought this on Temu, and that's complete junk. It's like I can rip the bands so easily. And the most important information for you for this band class. Do not do towards your face. Sometimes I do my neck, my posterior neck muscle activation. What I'm doing, I protect. I close, like I holding my hands, even put the glasses, like safety glasses, but never do towards the faces. And I see a lot of people do towards the faces. If this is band like this one, shitty band, gonna slap in your face, you can lose your eye. So think about it. I think it's a safe, the band is safe, but sometimes I see they smashing people in the face and like they don't lose the eye, but that was very close. Now think about that 50 pounds. So it's no fear, but just be smart about it. Don't do this. Don't pull towards your face. If you do, like I said, protection. Sometimes I do between my crotch exercise with the bands. Yeah, so I take the foam roller and I put the foam roller right in here. I hold it. I don't want, and plus it's a great exercise for activate your glutes. You're squeezing that foam roller. This is the great stuff. So thanks for watching. Be smart about your workout with the bands. And this is the great solution for your home gym. The Sweden wall, great for the kids, great for you. Do exercise with the bands. Even you can do the pull-ups, you can even do dips. You can just adjust all those parts. You can build your own. This is what I did. I just built my own. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day and leave your comments below and show your exercise with the bands. Watch our Zarelka class every morning.